whitewater rafting and got back to the shuttle to get our stuff, and the guy is gone doing chores or taking somebody somewhere. So it is 1:13 and we are starving and ready to get on trail, and we just have to sit here and wait. So we're laying down on the picnic table benches, trying to be patient. Finally hiking out of Uncle Johnny's, and it is 2:07. That's only what, 30 minutes past what you said?
Yeah, 30 minutes past when I thought we'd be leaving.
It's not bad.
To be fair, when we got here, the door was locked, we couldn't get our stuff, so we had to wait for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. So that's okay. Skies are blue for right now. Let's see what happens for now.
It was kind of
Yeah.
And we thought we lost a bunch of cash, so we spent some time looking for that. But look at the fishing line right in there.
It's very disturbing when you...
That's behind you.
I see it.
Okay.
It's very disturbing when you lose your cash, but you know it's got to be in your pack somewhere.
Yeah. We found it. It's working.
Bye. Oh man. All right, putting the phone up. Good job, Sarah.
It's doable for the next few days because I'm not trying to kill us.
Oh, well, I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Oh, if you want to read a Stephen King novel, it's right there.
Stephen King.
I signed my name twice because it's fun.
Because it's fun.
And once right there. And then once right here.
Sweet.
Because it's fun.
What do we got here? The Outsiders. Okay, this is a really nice shelter.
On July 10th, 2021, Ursa writing out a small downpour. On July 11th, 2021, Aaron also writing out a small downpour. So on 12th of July, 2021, I said, Sarah is not writing out a small downpour. I thought that was pretty funny.
That is funny. Let me see.
Anyway, show them the shelter.
It is. It doesn't look that old.
It looks like really well maintained, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's nice. And we got like a couple fire rings even. We got water source. No privy, no bare cables or boxes or anything. So, alright, this is our spot for the night. There's our tent. Tucked away. Alright. We made it 4-point-something miles to the shelter. Tomorrow is a big day, right, Sarah?
We will be waking up at 5:30 tomorrow to hike around 16.
Well, she's got it all going on. It's like your little office right here.
First of all, hiking around 16 miles tomorrow, all uphill.
Oh,
So,
all right. Here we go.
Yay!
Okay, dinner for tonight. Let me see yours. What you got, Sarah?
Yogurt.
Yay! And then Shortcakes did a boo-boo. We were in town and I did not get any more of this.
Hey, Spooky Dookie was here. Remember her following Spooky Dookie?
We were?
2020.
Oh, kind of. Where's he at?
Right there.
Oh, I see. All right. So, anyways, yeah, we might be cold soaking for the next couple days. Hey.
She's like famous.
Hey, Ella. Hi, dear. Hey, can I bring you some, Sarah? You gonna get some yogurt? We have baby yogurt.
Don't eat my yogurt. It's my dinner.
Yeah, so that was...
You got a big day tomorrow. A little Bible reading before we go to bed. And using our Kindle that we have downloaded the Bible on has been one of my favorite extra things to pack. I read a little bit about David tonight.